Make yourself a better guitar player with the Pink Panther theme song by Mancini. Written in the key of E, we have standard tuning on the guitar, and these aren't guitars playing these notes, so we're kind of modifying this to play it on guitar. Two guitar parts, we have the background part and the melody part, right? The background part starts with sliding on the A string. You're going to go from the 4th to the 5th fret on the A string, and then the 6th to the 7th fret on the A string. Sounds like this. Now, after you get to 7 here, you're going to go 7 on the fat string and open on the fat string. Now, this is an E note, and this is an E note. Clearly, we're in the key of E. We're climbing up and hitting the peak at E, right? Does it twice. Now it does a climb down, a similar rhythm pattern. It goes from 6 to 5 and 4 to 3 on the A string. And then 3 on the fat string and back to 3 on the 5th string. And then back to the climb up one. Then to the low one. Climb up and stop. And then you let it rest there for 4 counts. Now, that's the main theme that we have going on there. Now, the melody part on guitar doesn't do anything the first time through and climbs in on the second time through. What that is 6 to 7 on the A string, 4 to 5 on the D string. Do the same 4 notes again with different timing. Kind of goes to it quicker the second time through, right? Now, once you get to this note the second time through, flatten that finger onto the G string and play 5 to 4. Right? Then 7 to 5, 7 on the A string, 5 on the D string, 4 on the G string, and slide down 1. Then a little run. That's 2-0, 2-0, 2. 2-0 on the G string, 2-0-2 on the D string. Now it looks like you're doing the whole thing over again. But the second time, instead of sliding 4 to 3 on the G string, we're going to hit the open E string and hit the 4th fret on the B string. That's when the rhythm guitar now cuts out, or the background part, right? The bass guitar part. And it does a little run, a little riff thing. It's clearly saxophone in the recording. We're going to play it on the guitar, of course. And we have the E minor pentatonic scale to play that on. Of course, we're going to start on the note E. It's a skinny string. Then 3 to 0 on the second string. 2 to 0 on the third string. Ending on E here on the D string, the 2nd fret of the D string. Now we're going to do this. 3rd fret, slide to 2nd fret 4 times in a row. Right? And the quicker you go there, you kind of do a feel thing. How long do you want to hang out here? It's very subtle. You hardly have any of the 3. It's just mostly the 2. And then open G and 2-0-2 on the D string. And that ends and resolves it on the note E. And that's the main theme that I wanted to go over for this. Let me know how it works for you. You have fun? I'm a firm believer in playing things that are fun to play on guitar. If you're playing things that are fun, you're going to play more guitar. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy playing, soak it all up. That's what it's about. If you're torturing yourself playing, you probably won't stick with it. So if this one's fun for you, let me know. Want to hear your feedback. Appreciate your like and subscribe.